Hello, welcome to Bird vs. Dino. So today we're gonna be hunting for the wildest dino in the entire city. So yeah, okay, I'm just gonna leave my hat over there. But it is hot out here in Africa, so you must need a hat with you. And that's the only way you can get away with it. So you must bring a hat. And then you must walk around the entire forest to see where is the dino. So let's start walking. Right, first we're gonna have to talk to animals. Well, if you don't know how to talk to animals, well, you're gonna have to translate, but I'm gonna have to translate for you. So, you see that cat over there? Okay, I'm gonna go speak to him. Okay, slowly, so he won't get scared. Ah, come on! Okay, let's go chase him! Let's go chase after that cat! Oh! Come on! Alright, I didn't caught the cat, but I will caught him sometime. Okay, so we're gonna have to look another animal to search for. So, as you can see in Africa, it's very hot out here. And as you can see here, there are some cactuses. You don't want to get near them because they will give you an attack. I don't want to get an attack like that, like what happened yesterday. Alright, it's time to get the cactus. That wasn't pretty at all. That wasn't. See that? Okay, let's follow that noise. Right. I'm sensing it somewhere over there. Somewhere over there where I can sense it better. So you want to sense your fear so you can talk to these animals and then you can probably speak to them and all that. So, alright, I got the feeling it's over here. Somewhere in the woods. Somewhere. You hear that noise? That's somewhere. Somewhere in the woods there could be any danger. Alright, I'm right here. You see the animal? He's right there. So I must speak to him and all that. So I must ask him what is he doing in Africa? Because you know it's already well, it gets hot, very hot like in these days. So yeah, it's time to speak to that turtle. Hey you! Hey, what do you want? I was just wondering, what are you doing in Africa? It's like 80-something degrees out here. It gets 90 degrees out here very like in the day, in like the mornings. Well, you see, I'm trying to find some shade, and then, you know, these past few days there weren't any shade, and, you know, it's been like 90 degrees in the morning. Yeah, it's been kind of hot in here, but I was wondering, do you know where, have you seen a dinosaur or something? Dinosaur? I've never seen a dinosaur. I'm gonna get this straight. You've never seen a dinosaur before in your whole entire life? No. Never seen a dinosaur. Well, have you seen anything purple? Yeah, it's gone that way. Okay, thank you. See, I'm kind of hungry here. I'm just gonna go find some food and all that. Right. So he said the purple thing would be here. So let's go in here. So as you can see, there's some nectar in here. Well, some energy for animals and all that. So I'm gonna drink up. Okay, now that I drank something, I gotta go find something to eat. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go find a tree or something. So there should be some energy here. I have to cut through the woods and all that. So, alright, so there could be a sense of danger anywhere. Just anywhere there could be a sense of danger. But so we have to find something that will sense danger. Okay, so yeah, let's keep on going. We are right here at the funeral that there was a man shot here in 1937. So if you don't know, there was a man here, and I could explain the whole story, but okay, I'm gonna explain the whole story. It might be long, but okay. So there was a man walking in, and you know, he thinks that this place is normal. Well, he was wrong. You see, he was shot, and he died then. So yeah, it wasn't pretty at all. And I mean, he already died, and here's his funeral, and yeah. So that's where the person died, and yeah, so there could be some danger here. So, do you sense any danger? Any danger could have possibly happened. Well, let's find out. Alright, so we still haven't found any. Look at that. You see that thing over here? Right there? Let's find out. That is the Dino. He's been hiding there for such a long time. It's a plan. Alright, so Hey! Hey you! Huh? What the? Hey, did you know that the new Avatar movie is gonna come out? The new Avatar? Yeah, there's gonna be a new sequel! Yay! What the heck? Who are you then? I'm Triple. I like to split into 3. Just shut up! Why? Because the Dino, the purple Dino. Oh, that one? It will be easy to happen. No, don't scare him away! Oh, he's scared. No! You stupid idiot! Alright, now I'm gonna have to recatch him again. Oh, he's there. Okay, let's get him. Very calm. I got you now! I'm gonna escape! Alright, I still made it. Alright, I gotta refund that thing again. But I can't just run all the way over there. He's probably escaping. So I'm gonna have to find him the hard way. And by talking to a cat, hopefully they won't run away. You see that black cat over there? Okay, we're gonna go talk to that cat. Hey, you! Okay, I was just wondering if you can tell me where is the purple Dino? Do you have any idea? Running away is the answer? Okay, I'll take that as a yes, but alright, so he's probably somewhere over here. But we're gonna have to speak to another cat. Someone that won't run away, like that scary cat over there. But alright, let's go. You see that legendary orange cat? Okay, we're gonna speak to him. He knows about the dinosaur. Okay, so walk slowly. Hey, you, do you know where's the purple dinosaur? Okay, he's somewhere. Oh, you want me to follow you? Okay, I'll follow you. Let's follow the cat. No, don't lie down. No. Ride me to the dinosaur. Dude, ride me to the dinosaur. I need to get there. Come on, ride me. Come on, there's no time to lie down. Just come on. Oh, he's right here. Oh, okay, now let's follow him. So oh, come on, you're lying down again? Seriously? Come on, dude. Come on. I'll give you $5 if you lead me to. What the? Okay, so I guess you're saying that he's here. Okay, thank you. I'll give you $5. Good. I won't give you $5 if it's the wrong location. Toby cat. Alright, let's where's the the purple dinosaur! He's captured the legendary orange one and the white one. We gotta go rescue him. Okay, so let's go rescue the cats. Hey, you! Oh, now she escaped. Hey, why are you capturing him? None of your business. Dude, give me the answer or else I kill you. I'll kill you first. Ah! Ow. Alright, that's it. I'll kill you. Wee! Don't worry, cat. I'll save you. Run! Run free! Go! Yes! Run! No! I didn't capture him! No! 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 I saved the island! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Go! Go! Yeah! Go! Yeah! 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 I'm sexy and I know it! Yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! I'm gonna go tell that legendary orange cat. I saved him! I saved him! I'm gonna go tell him! I see! Where did he went? Oh yeah! Oh, there he is! There he is! Hey you! I saved I saved you! Yay! I'm awesome!